underground cave tunnel. So let's go! Don't be scared. If you're watching this channel and have not subscribed to me, then please subscribe immediately. Hello everyone, so we are here at Panchgani today, which is very close to Mahabaleshwar. So when you go to Mahabaleshwar, make it a point to even go to Panchgani, which is very close to Mahabaleshwar. So Panchgani is a hill station and it is at a height of 1293 meters, and yes, it is close to the distance from Mumbai is 244 kilometers. So here you will find top boarding schools, guys. Over 50 plus boarding schools are situated over here, and many of the Bollywood movie stars send their kids to these boarding schools. Here we are riding through the Parsi Point, which is a very famous point near the Hotel Ravine at Panchgani, and it's really beautiful to paraglide over here. So paragliding and all is done over here a lot. You get to see the Krishna river too over here, and it's a beautiful place. So Panchgani is 19 kilometers from Mahabaleshwar, and it is surrounded from all sides by 5 hills, and this is the fact from which it is derived. The name Panchgani is derived from this. So here we are riding through Sher Bagh, and Sher Bagh is also an amazing garden where all the flowers are at bloom. And at Panchgani too, you have this go-karting, and you can enjoy that at Panchgani too, and lot of strawberries, blueberries, mulberries, and all the strawberry farms, strawberry plucking and factories too are located over here. So you can enjoy all of these at Panchgani. I did enjoy everything over here. So after doing all that, I'm on the tableland. I'm at Panchgani. So Panch means 5 and Gani means hills. So that's why the name Panchgani comes from here. Panchgani is the second largest plateau in Asia after Tibet. So this was home to the Pandavas. Remember Pandavas of Mahabharata? So this was a home to them during their exile. So over here you can take a horse carriage like this, and you can go on a ride, and they will show you 5 to 6 points on the tableland, which are really interesting. So the tableland is a huge place to walk, so it's really difficult for you to go walking all around, especially in this heat. So you can take this horse carriage, or you can go on a horse ride, and you can see all these points over here. So look at this. This is called Bhim Chula. So Bhim used to cook his food over here while on exile. So the Pandavas used to be on exile, and they had come to Panchgani during their exile. So here was the place where Bhim used to cook his food, and I'm so excited. Look at me. Even y'all can run like this on the tableland because it's so open, so breezy, so airy, and you feel like running all over the place. So Bollywood shooting has been taken place a lot over here. So when you're on the tableland, you will feel like running around just like those movie stars. This is one of the huge tablelands in India, and it's really famous. You should come here during rainy season. It becomes so foggy and beautiful. We are at Panchgani, the tableland in Maharashtra. So look at this. This is the Panchgani town, which we can see down, and it's a beautiful place. Just take a look. So you'll get to see beautiful silver oak trees over here, and it's a beautiful sight, a typical hill station where it's really cool, and the people are amazing over here. You should visit over here.
अभी आप लोग जिस जगह पे खड़े हैं इसको शूटिंग पॉइंट बोला जाता है।
हाँ।
शूटिंग पॉइंट इसलिए बोला जाता है, इधर मेला पिक्चर, जानवर, इंसाफ, राजा हिंदुस्तानी, पिता पिक्चर, ऐसा शूटिंग बहुत होता है। और ये पानी के किनारे चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस का शूटिंग होके गया है। बहन जी उमन गाँव बताया था शाहरुख खान का। और दबंग पिक्चर में महेश मांजरेकर डायरेक्टर कूदी मारता है, देखो जब भी सलमान खान शादी करता है हीरोइन के साथ, उधर से कूदी मारेला है। और ये जो पहाड़ी दिख रहा है ना, ये किताब का गाँव है भिलार। हर घर में किताब है, जाके आप लोग पढ़ सकते हैं। किताब का गाँव
है। हाँ, लाइब्रेरी है ना?
लाइब्रेरी।
हाँ, सब जगह।
और पालन खेत देखो, ऊटी में पालन खेत।
हाँ।
लेकिन राजा हिंदुस्तानी में करिश्मा कपूर आमिर खान जो गाना गाता है ना, तो इधर का पचगनी का शूटिंग होके गया है। और आमिर खान का जो शादी हुआ है ना किरण राव के साथ, दूसरा शादी पचगनी में होके गया इधर पचगनी में। हाँ, वो आप लोग जो टैक्स पढ़ के आए ना, नीचे टर्निंग में स्कूल है, उसका नाम है सन जोसेफ कॉन्वेंट हाई स्कूल। गदर फिल्म में नहीं क्या सनी देओल गुलाब का फूल देता है, सनी इसको अपना सकीना को, हीरोइन का नाम सकीना है। मैं निकला जो गडले के गाना है ना उड़ जा काले का, उधर शूटिंग होके गई। ये टेबल लाइन बोले तो पूरा 6.5 किलोमीटर है, पूरा टेबल जैसा है। और 5 प्लेटो कौन सा है देखो, पीछे वाला एक, बीच में का 2 अपन खड़े, तीसरा है वो साइड पे वो राजा हिंदुस्तानी का पेड़ है ना, उधर 2 है। ऐसा 5-6 करके गांव का नाम पचगनी दिया देखो। और हम लोग कैसा, ये बेरी फ्रूट है ना, उसका आइसक्रीम बेचते हैं। हमारा नाम राजू आइसक्रीम वाला है। बरसात में आएंगे ना, जामुन का, फनस का, पुदीने का, खजूर का, मिर्ची का आइसक्रीम मिलता है।
So did you hear that? This gentleman knows a lot because he is a local over here, and believe me, the ice cream was so tasty. You all should definitely have his ice cream because it was really amazing. It was better than any of the ice creams I've ever had in my life, and I would surely go back over here just to have his ice cream, guys, because it was so tasty. I'm missing it even today, even now. He had many flavors. There was chili flavor ice cream too, as well as strawberry flavor, and many different flavors were there. कितना हुआ?
मैंने 30 वाली एक दी, बाकी 40 वाली।
So I enjoyed it a lot, and I had at least 3 or 4 scoops. And here again, we have to sit again on the cart, and we have to go again to the next point. So that is how it is done. So here I am heading towards the next point. So there are many horses over here. They look really amazing. They look really beautiful around, and it's a really scenic place, you know. And during rainy season, it becomes really green. So right now we can see it's really brown, but in the rainy season, it looks so green, so amazing. So here we can see Pandavas' footprints. So the Pandavas had come over here, and that is where they left their footprints for us to see. So while riding, I saw a whirlwind over here. It was a whirlwind, but it was so magical. So it was really amazing. It looked like a spirit going up. I don't know how much it got captured in my camera, but it looked very amazing. Looks like a spirit going up. Look at that, guys. So you can see a lot of such sights over here. And now all the points are over. I have seen everything. So this is the final point where I have to leave the cart. I have to go walking and see the Pandava caves over here. So the Pandavas are believed to have built and lived in these caves while in exile. So this place was home to the Pandavas for some time during the exile, and they lived over here for some time, guys. And let me show you the entire place. Come along with me. So during monsoon, please be careful while climbing down these stairs because they are really slippery. But do make it a point to go over here because it's a beautiful place and it's not to be missed. rocks was so amazing. The color of the rocks itself is so pretty. I really found it very amazing and I loved it a lot. I am always excited to go to such historical places and I like to explore such places which are ancient and it really thrills me a lot. How about you guys? Do you all love to go to such historical places? Just let me know in the comments. We have to pay 10 rupees to this gentleman over here and I had to pay him because we cannot record without paying these people. So everywhere we go we have to record and we have to pay some money to these guys.
So look at this place, guys. It's such a cool place. It's very cool over here. It was so humid up there, but over here it's very cool. And this cave is called Pandav Cave. So just take a look. Tables and chairs, and these are made. You know, these are not ancient. These are made later on. But look at these rocks. These are very ancient. So look at this tiger, guys. But this is not ancient. It is very new. I mean, a few years old. But these rocks are ancient, and these are sedimentary rocks, I guess. And look at these. These protruding rocks. These are actually the droplets of water which oozes out, and it brings out this rock downwards because of seepage. So that's why this comes out. So this place is very cool because of that, because of the seepage of water. So that's why this place is so cool. It feels like an AC down here and it doesn't feel hot at all. It's so wonderful and so peaceful over here. So the Pandavas used to stay over here during their Vanvas, and it was a very beautiful place to stay because it's so green outside there and it's wonderful.
On your own.
Guys, come along with me. I'm taking you to an underground cave tunnel. So let's go. Don't be scared.
Come along with me. I'll take you to this amazing cave. You should also visit over here. So there were amazing artifacts over here and I was really stunned at the beauty of it.
So look at this, guys. These two statues look really ancient. So I think this is the one which I wanted to show y'all. But this one, that one, is a pretty new one. It's not ancient, but it's of Lord Shiva.
Repeat. Krishna.
And that is the statue of Krishna along with Draupadi and the 5 Pandavas. And Krishna is counseling them during their hard times. So isn't it wonderful? Let's go.
So wasn't that amazing? Didn't you like it? I'm sure you loved it a lot. And yes, even if you don't go, at least you get to see it in this video, isn't it? So now we are heading towards this shop.
When you come over here, please buy certain things from here, like this small bow and arrow and these small pots. There is a small bell. You can buy all these earthen stuff from here. They're wonderful things. Y'all can buy it from here, and it's very cheap and it's very beautiful. You can keep candles inside this, guys, and this is very beautiful. It's such a wonderful little pot. It's made over here itself. It's an earthen pot, and you can keep candles inside this. It's really pretty. There are a lot of stuff over here, and you have some wooden vessels too. There is a spatula over here. Look at this. There is a snake too. And look at this mini Eiffel Tower.
So I bought a few stuff from this lady, and even you guys please buy something from them. And their life relies on tourists like us, guys, so we need to buy something from them. So make it a point to buy certain things from these poor people at any tourist area, and it's never costly, you know, so you should buy it. And after that I decided to go for a sugarcane juice because it was so hot and I was really thirsty, so at least 3 or 4 glasses I gulped down because I love sugarcane juice, and we get it really fresh over here because there are sugarcane fields over here, guys. After that I decided to go to this Irani restaurant called Rustom's, and over here you get amazing Parsi style food. That's what I had heard, but the food which I tasted was really mediocre. It did not taste that good, not as much as I have tasted here in Mumbai at certain Irani restaurants. The taste was not as good as that, but then at Mahabaleshwar getting Irani food was okay. Like, I was happy that I got this. But yeah, there are various other restaurants where you get really good food, the local ones. But this Irani restaurant I chose this time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. I hope you had a fun time. So until the next video, keep watching, guys, and please keep commenting and liking. Thank you for watching. Bye and see you in the next video.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple. Simply City.